Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 8 over 45. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor between the numerator and denominator. Let's start by finding all the factors of 8. 8 equals 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now let's find all the factors of 45. 45 can be broken down into 1 times 45, 3 times 15, and 5 times 9. So the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. To find the greatest common factor, let's compare these two sets of numbers, looking at the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8, and the factors of 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. We can see that 1 is the only number that appears in both lists. Since the greatest common factor is 1, this means 8 over 45 is already in its simplest form and cannot be reduced any further. Let's review what we learned. First, we found all the factors of the numerator and denominator. Then we identified the greatest common factor between these numbers. Since the greatest common factor was 1, we concluded that the fraction was already in its simplest form. Remember, when simplifying fractions, if the greatest common factor is 1, it means the fraction cannot be reduced any further and is already in its simplest form.